How to download Cash App on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily install Cash App on your Android device. Without any further delay, let us just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go over to your Google Play Store on your Android device. Once you open up Play Store, find the search icon at the bottom on the center of your screen. From the search bar at the top, just search for Cash App. Hit search, and you can find Cash App right here on top. So as you can see, it has gotten over 4.7 star reviews and has over 3 million reviews, 100 million plus downloads, and it's for everyone. Just tap on the install button here and you're good to go. Once the app is installed, you can start using it by just opening it up and logging into your account. I'll just wait for a bit for it to install. Once you have the app installed, tap on open, and you should be able to use Cash App from here on your Android device. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.